Hello, my name is Matthew Douglas and I am studying performing arts in Coleg Cambria, Yale. Studying at Coleg Cambria was probably one of the best decisions that I've ever made in my life. Reason being because the learning process is very fun. It's very different. Instead of sitting at a desk, even with theory, they make it fun. They get you on your feet and you do things like that. And as well, obviously with the practical side of things in performing arts, it's very fun as well. The staff are very supportive when it comes to applying for university and applying for UCAS. And they're also very good as well with supporting you as a person, whether you are dealing with mental health, whether you are dealing with personal problems. They are very good to sit you down and speak to you. And overall, the staff are very supportive and the learning is a fun process. And if you are wanting to study in the North Wales area, Coleg Cambria is the place to be.